Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel English with Hassan 1, where we help you learn English smarter, faster, and with more confidence.
Positive form. So, I miss, you miss, we miss, they miss. But with he misses, she misses, it misses. We are not going to use it in this lesson because we are dealing just with people. So he misses, she misses. So this is the positive form. I miss my country. It means I want to see my country. You miss your father. It means you want to see your father. He misses his mother. It means he wants to see his mother. She misses her cat. It means she wants to see her cat. We miss our friends. It means we want to see our friends. They miss their dog. They want to see their dog. So as you notice, I miss, you miss, we miss, they miss. No problem. But with he and she, so we add es to the verb. We cannot add just s. So if we add s, we will have 3s no, or 3 s's no. So just we add es. Let's continue. Now let's go to the negative form. I don't miss, you don't miss, we don't miss, they don't miss. So the verb doesn't change. And in the negative form with he, she, it, he doesn't miss. So we don't say he doesn't misses, no. When we have doesn't, the verb remains in the infinitive without s or es. She doesn't miss. It doesn't miss. Let's see examples. I don't miss my country. You don't miss your father. He doesn't miss his mother. She doesn't miss her cat. We don't miss our friends. They don't miss their dog. So you see the verb miss doesn't change in all the pronouns, even with he and she. Why? Because we have doesn't. He doesn't miss. She doesn't miss. Let's go to the question form. In the question, we just need to put do at the beginning of the sentence and a question mark at the end of the sentence. Do I miss? Do you miss? Do we miss? Do they miss? And with he and she and it, does. Does he miss? We don't say does he misses. No. When we have does and doesn't, the verb remains in the infinitive. We don't add s or es. Does he miss? Does she miss? Does it miss? Let's see examples. Do you miss your country? Do you miss your father? Does he miss his mother? Does she miss her cat? Do we miss our friends? Do they miss their dog? You see the verb in the question form doesn't change. So we just need to put does with he and she.